Hello everyone, today I'm starting Unit 12 from Grade 3 Math Learner book. So let's start. More fraction. What fraction of each shape is shaded? Tick the correct uh, fraction below each shape. Let's start. We can see here there are 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For a pentagon it has 5 parts. Out of 5, only one part its color. So which part is color we need to write above, and the total parts we need to write down. So in total we have 5 parts, and out of 5 only one part its color. So we have the correct option here, 1 by 5. Same like this, there are 3 parts of a circle. Out of 3 only one part colored, so 1 by 3. Always down we need to write total parts of a circle or of any shape. And here we have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 only one part its color, so we can write it 1 by 4. Question 2. Twem said that 1 by 10 of a whole is greater than 1 by 5 of the same whole because 10 is greater than 5. Do you agree with? Actually what happened, it's 1 by 10 and 1 by 5. Let me write it here, 1 by 10 and here 1 by 5. It look like 10 is bigger and 5 is smaller, but actually 1 by 5 is bigger. If I make the part, then we can easily understand. For example, if there is a shape and we divide into 5 equal parts. First I need to make a sign, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is 5 part. If I color 1, this part is colored, for example. So it's 1 by 5 simple. If I make a line in the center like this, now it's 10 parts, the same shape, but now I change into 10 parts. What do you think? It's the same shape, the same 5 part, now I change into 10, and it's 2 by 10. So like this we can say 1 by 5 and 1 by 10, not Same. And 1 by 10, what do you think? 1 by 10 is bigger or? So 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 10. If it's want to equal 1 by 5 equal to 2 by 10, but it's 1 by 10, it means out of 10 only one part is color. So you can see this is this shape, it was 1 by 5, 1 by 5. I change into now it's a 2 by 10 into two parts. If I erase this part, so it's 1 by 10 and it's smaller than 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 as whole is greater than 1 by 10. Not equal. Obviously, it's not equal. We can write it here. Greater than 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 10. Now, if it's 2 by 10, so then we can say both are equal. But 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 10. A large pizza has 10 equal slices. Mom and dad ate 2 by 5 of the pizza each. Hinata eats the rest. How many slices does each person eat? There are mom and dad eat 5. It means there are two pizzas, 10 equal slice. So this 2 by 5 and 2 by 5. It means this dad eat from both pizzas because one pizza there are for one pizza there are 10 parts. One pizza 5 parts and two pizza 10 parts. So from one pizza, mom and dad eat 2 by 5. So it's mean the other also 2 by 5. So how many slices does each person eat? So 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So 2 plus 2, 4. It means out of 10, 4 parts dad eat. And the same as mom. Mom eats also the same. So 4 parts we can say dad eat. 4 part of a slice. And mom also the same. Because it's written here mom and dad eat 2 by 5 of the pizza each. Yeah, each one eating 2 by 5, 2 by 5 like this. Mom eats 4 as dad, and the remaining 4 plus 4 8. There are 10 slices in total, so out of 10 8 mom and dad, so the remaining Hinata eats 2 slices, the rest or 2 slices. So how many slices does each person eat? So you can say this is the answer for this. What fraction of the pizza does Hinata eat? So you can say 2 by 10, 2 by 10 or 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Both correct. Two by 10. Let's start unit 12 and 1 fractions of numbers. You can use a paper strip of 2D shapes to help you find the fraction of a number. Finding a fraction is just like a division. Sorting the whole into equal part. This should be in your mind. Downside of a fraction. Denominator, numerator. There are two things we are using in fraction. This is called fraction. This is a whole number. This is called fraction number, and this is called a mixed number. So in this lesson, we are talking about fraction in fraction, up and down. Down, denominator, up, numerator, denominator, down, denominator, up, numerator. So denominator should be the total shape parts we should write down, and up which we are selecting, or colored part. Okay, we are mentioning it's above. We can say sorting the whole into equal groups show your fraction of a whole. So let's start. A, a fraction strips is 15 centimeter long. Majak is marking thirds of the strip. Where should he mark 1 by 3 at? There are how many centimeter? 15. So 1 by 3, 3 divided by 15 divided by 3, it's mean 5. So it's mean after 5, then 10, then 15. So at 5, we can write here at 5 centimeter. At 5 centimeter, where should he mark? Second. So after 5, the second gap is 10. Then 15, third one. Because a friction strip is 15 centimeter long. So she need to make into 3 equal parts. So then 3 in the gap of, if divide 15 by 3, it's coming 5. In the gap of 5 by first mark 5, then the second mark 10, then the third mark 15. A fraction strip has 10th marked at 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 15, 20, 25 until 45. How long is the whole fraction? It's obviously it's 50 centimeter, as we are using the gap of 5 until 10th, so it's 50. 5 multiplied 10 is 50 centimeter. Draw a ring around 1 by 10 of the marble. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 20. So draw a ring around 1 by 10 of any. You can circle any one of from above and one from down. Make it here. This is 1 by 10. Make one from here. If you're making, you just circle anyone. Okay. Or you're making 2 from here, or making 1 here, 1 here, as you wish. Any 2. You just ring any 2 marble from hole. What fraction of the marble are not ringed? So it's 9 by 10 actually. Are not ringed. Not make circle. Here is 1 by 3 of a set of cars. How many cars are in the whole set? Here are 1 by 3 of a set of cars. How many cars are in the whole set? So we have here 3, and in the whole set we need to find 3 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 12. So there are actually 12 cars, which we are dividing into 4 equal parts. 4, 4, 4 like this. So there are in total 12 cars. So we can write here 12 cars. Again, I'm repeating, here is 1 by 3 of a set of cars. 1 by 3 of a set of cars. So how many cars in total? So there are 4 cars, it's shown down. So 4 multiplied by 3. So like this you can find the total numbers of cars. So 4 3 times 12. So there are 12 cars, and which should divide into different 4 equal parts. In each set there are 3 3 3. What find these fraction of 20? Very easy. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, not possible. 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 3 by 4. So 1 by 2. Just we This 20 put it here and divide with 2. If we divide 20 with 2, it's coming 10. If we divide 4 with 20, it's coming 4 multiplied 5 equal 20. If we divide 10, it's coming 2. 10 multiplied 2 equal 20. And if we divide 4, 4 divided by 20, 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 multiplied 3, 15. Up multiply and down divide. Something like this. Complete the table. Let's move to the next part. Question 6. In the table below, what is the whole? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 10, and 3 by 4. So we need to find the whole. 10, 18, 19, 20, 21. Here we just can find from here. We can just find from here the whole. So let's do it. 1 by 3. This is coming 9. It means we need to multiply with 9. Down with down, not with up. So 9 multiplied 3, 27. Why in the previous question I write the fraction and then he write the number, the whole number, and then we cut it and find our answer. So here we need to find this one. This we don't know, but we know the answer. So actually this 1 by 3 multiply this we don't know, but we know the answer. So here 3 divide. So when anything divide on at the left side of the equal sign, when moving to the right side, so change into multiply. So here 3 dividing. So when it's changed into multiply, 3 coming here and multiply with 9. So it's coming 27. So the whole number is 27. Like this we can find the answer. This 2, 27 not coming in the table of 2, 4, also 10, also and 4. So this you can see all x, only one here, 1 by 3. If we are putting here 1 by 3 and making the part of with 27, then you can find the answer. 3 multiply 9, 3 multiply 1, 3, and 3 multiply 9 equal 27. So 9 is our answer. It's written here, the answer. But we need to find the whole number. Find the whole number that you can complete the whole table for. So we can see here 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 10, and 3 by 4. So we can choose should be even number because around all even. Just this one. So 4 multiplied 3, 12, 24, 24 multiplied. It's okay. So we just find we are finding the least common factor. So just write all the denominator down here: 2, 3, 4, 10, and 4. Okay. First I'm using table 2. So this 2 change into 1, this 4 change into 2. Because we are dividing, this 10 change into 5, 2 multiply 5, 10, and this 4 change into 2. So in the next, I write here 2. So this 2 and this 2 finish, gone, remaining 3 and 5. So 3 multiply 5, 15. 15 multiply to 30. 30 multiply to 60. So it means we are using here the number 60. The whole number is 60. Now we divide 2. 60 divided by 2, it's coming 30. Like this, 60 divided by 3. coming 20. 4, 60 divided by 4. 4 multiply 1, 4, 2 coming here. 4 1 time 4, but it's 6. So 6 minus 4, 2. 2 coming with 0, 20. 4 multiply 5, 20. So 15 multiply 4, 60. 10 multiply 6, 60. And 4 multiply by 15, 60. So 15 we have up 3. Multiply 3, it's 45. Let's do the next question. Find each fraction and complete the matching division calculation. 1 by 4 of 8. 1 by 4 of 8 equal to what? Cut it 4 with 8. 4 multiply 1, 4. And 4 multiply by 2 equal 8. It should be in your mind, up we need to multiply, but it's mostly 1. So we just write the same answer here. But if there is any other number, we need to multiply with up, like here. So here it's coming 15. So we don't write here 15, we multiply with 3. Then we write here 45. So there you can write here 2. Same like this 8. We need to write the same, completing this fraction. So here 8 divided by what equal? 8 divided by 4 actually. That's coming 2. Okay, 12 to multiply by 1, 2, 2 multiply 2 equal 4. So 12 multiply 2, 24. Right here. And 24 divided by 12 actually. Yes, sorry, 2. That's coming 2. Okay, 4. We cut 4 with 40. 4 multiply 1, 4. 4 multiply 10. 40. When it's coming down 1, so it's, after this no need to write it. So it's finished down portion. So it's coming 10. And 40 divided by 4 equal 10. Like this. Complete question number 7. Let's move to the next question number 8. 1 by 4. Continue the pattern until you reach a quotient of 10. Quotation of 10. So let's start 1 by 4 of 4. That's coming 1. 4 divided by 4. That's 1. 1 by 4 of 8. It's 2. 8 divided by 4. That's 2. Same like this, continue. 1 by 4 of 12. So 4 multiply what equal 12? 4 multiply 3. It's 12. After this 1 divided by 4. I'm continue here. Put it down. Now write 12 divided by 4 equal 3. If we are moving forward, then 1 by 4 of 16. Of 16. You can write instead of you can write multiply sign. It's equal to 4 multiply 4, 16. So we can write here 14 divided by 4 equal 4. 4 times 16. After this, next 1 by 4 of after 16 we are using 20. It's equal to 5, and then we can write here 20 divided by 4 equal 5. As it is, we doing the next 1 by 4 of 24, 1 by 4 of 28, 1 by 4 of using the table of 4, 32, 1 by 4 of 36, 1 by 4 of 40 until 10. So as on we are doing. To do the next part, 1 by 4 of 16, it's coming as it is. 1 by 4 of 16 is coming 4, and then this all part coming here. What do you notice? So we notice here actually this is something like multiplication or multiple of 4. We are using as the multiple of 4, table of 4. So this is we are using first 4, then 8, then 12, then 16, then 20, then 24, 28, 32. Multiple of 4 we are using. So what we notice here, the fraction list uses multiple of 4, and the division or the division table of 4 also. We can write here fraction list uses multiple of 4. That's enough. No need to write further. Question number 9. At a party, the sandwiches have been cut into 4 parts. 4 people share 2 sandwiches. How many do they get each? Okay, so there are how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are eight pieces or 8 slices of 2 sandwiches. So there are 4 people share 2 sandwiches. So 2, 1. This I can write it. This is 1, and this is 2. And 2 people share one whole sandwich. Then this 3 and 4. Okay, so like this, each one get 2 parts. So we can write here 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Or 1 by 2 also you can write it. If we cut it, it's coming 1 by 2. But 2 by 4 it's also correct. It's mean from 4 each one get 2 parts. There are 4 apples in a pack. Sorry, in a pack there are 4 apples. Roshni takes 1 apple. What fraction of the apple does she take? 1 by 4. Simple. Because out of 4 she took 1. So it's simple. 1 by 4. Like this, we finish lesson 12.1, 12.2 in the next video. Goodbye.